What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Rough and Bougie Adventures. This is technically my first winter camping experience. My friend and I were coming out here, West Virginia. We're trying to go to Lower Glady, dispersed camping area. As you can see, it's snowing. On the way up here, we were getting the winter blizzard warnings and stuff like that. So if we can't make it out there, it's getting too risky, we do have a backup plan. There's a place that we can go to hunker down and shelter if we get out there. And you know, it's supposed to, I believe, be worse tomorrow. We're doing a two-night stay out there, and then it's going to clear up on Sunday. Right, it's Friday. It's going to clear up on Sunday. That's when we're supposed to head out. Temperatures will warm up, so I'll be monitoring the roads, icy conditions. We're supposed to be hot tent camping, but I don't really have a hot tent or a stove. So we both have our own propane heaters. We have a backup plan to use a gazelle tent with the little divider. He has his side, I have my side, but we both have our own individual tents. So we'll just assess the area when we get out there. But as you can see from some of the video footage I was taking on the way up here, windy roads. It went from a nice view to the leaves turning to now you got snow. Cold. I believe the temperatures are going to drop. They stay around 21 degrees with a high in the 30s maybe tomorrow, and then on Sunday the high will be in like 42, 43, something like that. So we're layered up. We're gonna keep you posted. And yeah, that's the update for now. We got about 40 more miles to go before we get there, and currently it is 3:15. So the snow is actually making it brighter outside, I believe, because there's no cloud, no sun, no anything. You can see from the, there's nothing. We pulled off at a Sunoco to get some gas. I was at half tank, but I don't want to risk it. I just threw in some gas that I know is enough to get me out of wherever we're going to go to. I'm starting to shiver, so I'm gonna save my words for later, because words are hard.
Your destination is on the left.
All right, so we made it out here, Lower Glady dispersed camping area. We're going to be camping right back there. We found the fire pit, and right over here is the you got the stream. Got my friend back here unloading the car. First plan of action is to set up the tent, make sure we got some shelter, then we can start working on the fire. I got a bunch of layers packed, but once I start moving around, I'm gonna warm up, but it doesn't feel too bad right now. The car, I'm driving a 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Borrowed my wife's car for this trip. It didn't do too bad. I'm gonna walk down here and I'm gonna show you the river. I did bring the drone, try to get some aerial footage, but I don't know, I might put that up later. This is a 2-night trip, so I'm gonna walk back here, give you a quick view of the Lower Glady River. I think that's what it's called. And then I'm gonna get to work because we gotta get set up. The snow is helping it to stay brighter outside, I believe, but we only have maybe about an hour and a half or so before it really starts to get dark. All right. So as far as where we are, there's a car through the trees. Lower Glady River. I can't really see my footing, my steps, so I don't want to go too far and slip. But this is where we at. That's what we get to listen to tonight while we sleep. So I did see one other person when I came out here. He wasn't necessarily camping. I don't know if he was looking for spots, but he was just in the truck. He was sitting in a lot. And then I just saw him drive by. So I don't know if he works out here just to make sure everything is safe. If there's any campers, he's just here to assist a hand. I'm not sure, because he didn't really wave or say anything to me. So Alright. So we're set up for the most part. I didn't film any of it because it got dark really quick. The snow started picking up. The wind started picking up. So I'll have to show you all pretty much our little layout set up tomorrow morning sometime. I have my little buddy going right now. I'm using the Mr. Heater. My friend, he's outside setting the fire because it's only 6:30 at night, and so we set up the fire so we can eat some dinner. I have this tarp that I picked up. Never used it before, so I plan to get our trekking poles and possibly putting that up to give us a little bit of shelter. See if we can set that up, stake it down. If not, oh well, because I don't see how we'll just sit out in that wind and the snow beating us up or whatever. But I brought this just in case. But yeah, what I'm doing right now, I have this ThermoPro, so I can read the temperature, but I need to hang it. So I'm about to cut some 550 cord, see if I can get that set up good enough for me to hang it.
That's about 80. That's almost even. It's frozen in the middle, so it might be still a little underdone.
Don't have that part staked out. Got that one. So that was the tent we decided to go with. We got the Gazelle tent. That was the plan B, contingency plan, how bad it was. We was going to stay in that one, but we decided to set up our individual tents.
Scrimps. The scrimps. Yeah. I'm about to just toss these on somewhere and let them go for a little bit. Yep, that's what I'm doing. I ain't even throwing no R.A.B.A. Throw them in. You gotta peel your own shrimp.
Steak and shrimp.
Huh?
No, I said steak and shrimp.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
I don't know if you see over there. Car. There it is. It's not far from camp. Alright. Why my fingers still work.
Huh?
Let me set this up. So we can put the wood up under there, keep it dry. Now we're fixing our plates and everything, about to eat. It's getting cold. I don't know what happened to my trekking pole. I don't know if I just extended it too far. I dropped it down, but the whole thing came out. I gotta make sure it didn't break. I'm sucking today. That would suck. I don't know how good y'all can see me without me flashing a light on the camera, but yeah. It's cold. It's cold, man. Alright. So here's a nice dinner. It was too cold and the wind blowing. I set up the things I showed you. I got the wood up underneath the little tarp, but it was too low. I got a low chair to get up underneath there, but it was still too cold. Couldn't really feel the fingers. So we brought it to the tent. Tonight we got, if you can see it, steak. Probably doesn't look that appetizing in this bowl, but steak, shrimp with the shells on it, and then we just threw some potatoes in the fire. So eating in the tent so I can warm up a bit, break this chill. And I don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the night. We'll figure that out. But for the video, I'm gonna call it, and I'll pick up with you all in the morning. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. Oh, tell me in the comment sections below, what you think this is. Do you think this is roughing it? Do you think this is a little bit bougie? I don't know what we would have that would be bougie other than, like I got 2 EcoFlows for some power out here. Recharge our stuff. I got one that I'm gonna let him use. I got one for me. Other than that, I mean, I think this one be considered roughing it. You know, considering the conditions we're out here in the snow. Technically, it's a blizzard. Temperature's gonna drop to like 21 degrees. So it's not that bad inside the tent. Pretty comfortable. But yeah, let me know. Would y'all consider this roughing it? Would y'all consider this being a little bougie? In my book, we roughed it for you. It's 8:44, and the temperature inside of this tent 74. Outside, not really accurate because I got that thing right next to my tent on the outside, so it's probably picking up some of the heat. But 80 degrees, let's see, 74 in my tent. Why I keep turning this off? Oh, 45 outside, not accurate. And then 80 degrees in his tent, which he doesn't have any ventilation open. So, I don't know. I got this battery box down here. Didn't use it yet, so that's at 95%. I kind of used it before I left. Then I got this one, 97%. I'm just running my phone off of it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down for the night. And shut this one down for the night. If I can find the power button. Because I'm not going to use them anymore. I'm going to let this run for a little bit longer, and then I'm going to shut that down. And I'll break the chill in the morning. How is it 88 in his tent? Oh my God. So I didn't realize when I got here yesterday where all the campsites were set up. We're set up on one, but when I walked down by the stream or whatever, I think that's considered another site because I saw a fire ring out there. And then as I'm walking around, I think I see another fire ring further over here. This is another site. And I see some tracks. So definitely had the deer coming through because they're pretty fresh. So this is another site. And that's the fire ring for this one. Everything's turning to slush. Yeah, this is really nice. More visible right off the stream. But it's also more open. Not a lot of trees covering this spot. Well, good morning, everybody. We survived the night, kind of.
No, we didn't.
He said, no, he didn't. So the plan for the day, we're probably going to find some trails, see what's around, go hiking. I don't know what we're going to find other than different campsites. But we was going to do a 2-night thing. I think we're going to call it just to make sure we can get out of here. The ice is melting, the temperature is going up, but it's all starting to turn to slush, and there were some hills coming in here. So we're going to try to battle that first thing after we go hiking. Make sure we don't have no issues. It's, what time is it? It's 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock in the morning, so we got plenty of time to figure things out. So we probably get some breakfast first, go find some trails if there's anything to see. Then after that, pack it up, hit the road. But you consider this a rough one? You consider this roughing it?
It's more, I don't feel like I'm experienced enough for this yet.
I think we rough it. So on the channel, you say R.A.B.A.
Wait,
R.A.B.A.
R.A.B.A.
Rough and Bougie Adventures.
Oh,
R.A.B.A.
There you go,
There you
R.A.B.A.
go. So
Is it this way? Or is it this way?
I do it this way.
You do it this way? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
R.A.B.A.
R.A.B.A.
So before we continue, I told him I had something for him yesterday. So while it's nice and daylight, he can see it, I can see it, y'all can see it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get that for him. He might even appreciate it, considering the current conditions. So let me get that, and then I'm tune back in with y'all. And since he's the first one to come on this first trip, good time to give it to him. But I got you some Rough and Bougie, some R.A.B.A. merch.
Good look, bro.
So I got 2 different kinds. I made this one.
Oh,
I made that one.
that's clean, bro.
Y'all can see that. In the back, got the Rough and Bougie Adventures.
Yeah.
But the cool thing about it, I want to try something new. Just in case you're wearing this in the summer or whatever, you want to take this off because you got hot. You know, you can just turn this to a little backpack.
Hey, chill. Dang. That's clean right there, man.
There you go.
That's clean.
Both of them do the same thing.
This does the same thing. Oh, this is a hoodie too?
Yeah.
You ain't gonna open it yet. You want me to open? I'll
He
open
said he
it.
ain't
I'll
gonna
open it. I'll open it for the people. YouTube land. Oh, thank you, sir.
Well,
This is nice, man. Bro, this is real nice.
Rough and Bougie Adventures.
Yeah, this don't clean.
Yep.
Yeah, this is clean, man. Damn. I like this. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this back.
All right. I just came in to put on these waffle top layers, and I'm hot. This buddy heater, I just had to swap the tanks. I've only ran through 2 tanks since I've been here. I came with a tank already in there, so it wasn't full. And then I threw in the second tank, which was full. Just ran out of that one, so I put in my third tank just to warm up a little bit inside the tent. But I cranked the thing all the way up, and it's about to run me out of here. I'm using the Mr. Heater Buddy Flex. That's the one where you can do the little cook attachments, separate stove. I didn't buy all of that because it's not useful to me, but packing my stuff up slowly. He's out there doing breakfast, so I'm gonna hurry up so I can get out there and start coffee. But since I already gave him his hoodie, it's time to wear mine. Now that he's already seen it. Y'all let me know what y'all think about the hoodies. Put that in the comment section below. Let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna get this one put on so y'all can have a better view. And I'll be wearing this one for the rest of the time. But as of right now, it's very hot, so I just had to kill the heat. It's 64 degrees inside. 64 inside. 33 outside. I don't know if his heater is running. 43 inside of his tent. So he's not really in there because he's doing breakfast. So I don't know if his heater is on. But 64 degrees, I had to cut mine. I turned it on low, but I'm about to turn it off because I'm hot. And I don't want to start sweating. So, whew. Alright. So now that I got this on, I'm just going to quickly show y'all what I brought. I didn't use everything in the one night that we were here, but just to show you some of the things that I have to try to make it somewhat comfortable. Alright, so we got the EcoFlow, got this little mini table. We have more than enough of these little propane tanks. He has a bunch, I got a bunch. Brought us some Dr. Peppers. This is a new thing, first time I saw it. Dr. Pepper strawberries and cream. Not bad. I only drank one since I've been here, which is this one. Got to put in my little trash can to go. But I mixed it with some whiskey, and I have to ask him what kind of whiskey that was. Here is the second EcoFlow that I was going to let him use, but there's no point because we about to go. This is my coffee maker that I will be, it's a press from Coletti. I'll be hooking that up in a minute. This is for my cell phone boom. Up top I have this rechargeable light. Works great. Alright, so over here I have my backpacking Osprey Atmos 65 liter. It's my first backpacking pack. Love it so far. I have a military sleep system, so you have the winter sleeping bag, summer sleeping bag, which is a little bit lighter. And inside of this bag you have the camouflage, so you can put it over everything, and it's also waterproof in case you're out in the elements, the rain, you're not getting wet. I'm rocking the let me see here. What's this? Wise Owl. There we go. And my cot. I'm using this Nature Hike. It sets up higher off the ground. I didn't do that because I'll be touching like the sides of the tent. And I didn't like that, so I kept it on the lower profile. We brought enough wood to chop, but I have this Fiskars axe. Didn't need it. I didn't know if I have to try to find some wood in case we ran out, but the N12, northern N12. But we have more than enough wood to go back. This is pretty much it. My boots that I wear, they're made by a company called Bass. They're actually old, and I probably should get some more. But yeah, and the tent that I use is, that's backwards, but it's the Alps Mountaineering. Bought it on Amazon. It's actually a 4-person tent, which really means 2 people with all of your gear. Man, got the fire going. Got to get this breakfast started. And then coffee. So instead, we're going to use this coffee maker. It's his coffee pot. He already got it started. This is the best Target, titanium 750 milliliter. So, how you know when this one's done?
Steam.
Steam.
It should be steam. It might be done, but yeah, steam, of course. Don't forget the water was almost ice.
Oh, snap.
Oh, God. All right.
Steam. Yeah. I'm not sure how much coffee ground got in there, but coffee never hurt nobody. So if y'all judging me on how many creamers I use, don't judge me. I like light skin coffee. That is what it is. Yeah, that looks about right. It's breakfast. Got steak, potato, egg. Top with some sriracha ranch, some salsa. Put it together. Sun's starting to come out.
Really?
Yeah. They advertise this as a backpacking tent. Ain't no way in the world.